Becky here at Amber Marine Company, and it's Wednesday. Time to make a bow. Want to look what I chose today? Look, this fabulous fall plaid. She's got a green background, so we're really going to go fall now. And I'm going to put this pumpkin with some gold lame on the back. Then I'm going to accent it with kind of a rust, orangey rust. And then I'm going to pop in some green just to pull out the green of that plaid. Let's make a bow. This is great quality. This is all our brand new fall ribbon that's come in, and been waiting for it and excited to use it and get it going in your world. And I'm going to do the 3 loops that you've seen me do before. Okay, let's add our second tail now. See how I kind of lift my thumb up because I'm holding it all in here. So I'm just going to kind of lift my thumb up. She's not going to go anywhere. Just kind of gather it in there. So it sits on top instead of pitching it into the side. Okay, let's add some of this fun pumpkin. And I'm going to do 2 loops of her, I think, today. She's going to just be the little piece that tells the story, drives her to fall. This bow is going to be fabulous right now through Halloween, all the way to Thanksgiving, because she's just all the warm colors. And a pumpkin without being Halloween-y, but yet she was a pumpkin. Let's go add some of this. Kind of add some bright color in there. Let's just do 2 loops of her. See how I just kind of pinch it in there? This ribbon is amazing quality, and even at this point. Now then, let's add a little accent piece with that. How fun is that? Kind of put some rich fall warmth in there. And you know me, let's tidy it up by going back and putting our base ribbon in on top again with just 1 little loop. Kind of bump it here in the middle. Kind of finishes it off. And let's tie her off because I don't think I can hold any more in there. So see, as I made that bow, I was already fluffing her and designing her where I wanted her to go. So now I have my mechanics in there, so now we can really crank it down and make her tight. That gives all that good cinch in the middle to make her puffy and pretty. Get her piece off of there in the middle that we don't need. Somebody asked me one time, why do you do all that? Why can't you just cut it straight across or diagonal cut? I don't know, a dovetail just really does add a beautiful finishing touch. It just makes it seem a little more special. I like that green in there to kind of put some color in there, bring that one out. I mean, if you put a lot of browns and oranges with that, she's gonna get really dull and kind of unexciting and kind of fade away. But what do you think, little pumpkin girl? Okay, so if you wanna buy a bow just like this, comment bow, or if you wanna buy just the ribbon itself, the bolts of ribbon, comment ribbon.